Hello friend, welcome to my channel, My Journey. Today we are going to solve some problems of exercise 16 from Concise Mathematics Middle School Class 7. So before starting, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. So let's see. First question. Triangle ABC is the right angle at vertex A. Calculate the length of BC if AB is equal to 18 cm and AC is 24 cm. So, to solve this, you will draw one right angle triangle like this. So, this is a right angle triangle and we will mark vertex A. This is the right angle triangle. A, mark it B and C. So here the value is given. AB is 18 centimeter. AB means this side, base is 18 centimeter, and AC means this perpendicular line is 24 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of this BC, that is hypotenuse. As we know, hypotenuse is the largest side than these two. Let's see. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That is, here perpendicular is hypotenuse is BC. So we write here BC square equal to perpendicular is AC. So we will write here AC square plus base AB. So we will write here AB square. Now we will put the value. BC is not given, we have to find this length BC. So BC as it is, BC square equal to AC. AC is given, AC is 24. So we will write here 24 square plus AC is 18 centimeter. So we will write here 18 square. Now we know the square of 24. The square of 24 is 576. So we will write here BC square equal to 576 and 18 is 324. So we will write here 324. Now add these two. So BC square equal to 460 10 carry 1 30 carry 1. So it is 900. So BC square is equal to 900. Now we remove this square by squaring both sides. So we get BC equal to root under 900, that is root 30 into 30. So here BC equal to 30 centimeters. This is your answer. So I hope this is clear. Let's see the second question. The triangle XYZ is right angle at vertex Z. Calculate the length of YZ if XY is equal to 13 cm and ZX equal to 12 cm. So, like previous sums, we will draw one right angle triangle like this. We will mark X, Y, Z, and here Z is the vertex where it is right angle. So this Z is the right angle. Now we will write the value X y is equal to 13. Xy means this perpendicular line, hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, and xz means this perpendicular line is 12 centimeter. Now in this question we have to find the base. Okay, so let's see. Now, according to question, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So this is the formula. Now we will write the name. Hypotenuse is xy, so we will write here xy square. Perpendicular is xz, so we will write here xz square. Plus base is yz, so we will write here yz square. Now we will put the value. Xy is this one is 13, so we will write here 13 square. Xz is perpendicular, it is 12, so we will write here 12 square, plus yz is not given, so we will write here yz as it is. Now we will bring this right hand side part to the left hand side and left hand part to the right side. So it will be 12 square plus yz square equal to 13 square, like this. Now we will bring this 12 to right side, so it will become minus. So here yz square equal to 13 square minus 12 square. Now write the square of 13 and 12. So yz square is equal to 13 square means 169. So here 169 and 12 means 144. So we will write here 144. Now minus 144 from 169. So we will get yz square equal to 5 and 25. So we will square both sides. So here xy equal to root 25, that is root 5 into 5. So yz is equal to 5 centimeter. This is the answer. So this is the answer. Hope it is clear. Let's see question number 3. Triangle PQR is right angle at vertex R. Calculate the length of PR if PQ is 34 cm and QR equal to 33.6 cm. So to solve this problem, we have to draw one right angle triangle. Like this we draw right angle triangle. Mark it as P. This will be Q and this will be R. According to question, vertex R is the right angle triangle, so this will be right angle triangle. Now, value PQ. PQ means this hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 34 centimeter, and QR means this baseline is 33.6 centimeter. Now, so let's see. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So this is the formula. We will write the name of the sides. So hypotenuse is PQ. We will write here PQ square equal to, perpendicular is PR. So we will write here PR square plus base is QR. So we will write here QR square. Now we will write the value of all the sides. PQ is 34 square equal to PR is not given, so we will write PR as it is, PR square plus QR is 33.6 centimeter. We will write here 33.6 cent square. Now we will change this side. Bring this side to left side and this 34 to right side. So PR square plus 33.6 square is equal to 34 square, like this. Now we will bring this 33.6 to right side and it will become minus. So here PR square is equal to 34 square equal to 33, sorry, here it will be minus the 33.6 square. Now we will write the square of 34 and 33.6. So square of 34 is PR square equal to, square of 34 is 1156. So we will write here 1156 minus square of 33.6, it will be 1128.96. So we will write here 1128.96. So now minus this 1128.96 from this, we will get PR square equal to, when we minus it, we will get 27.04. So by squaring both sides, we get PR equal to root under 27.04, that is, it will be 5.2 into 5.2. So here PR is 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. PR is 5.2 centimeter. This is the answer. Hope it is clear. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe it, share it and comment it. In our next video, we will solve some more question on exercise 16, Concise Mathematics, Middle School, Class 7. Thank you.